Did you know that about 90% of companies use open source software, yet most developers feel intimidated by making their first contribution? Well, welcome to the introduction of open source contributions. In this overview and video series, we'll map out your journey to making your first contribution. So the biggest mistake that beginners can make is jumping into projects that are too complex, like React or Kubernetes. They're amazing projects, don't get me wrong, but they're definitely not beginner friendly. So when looking into projects that you want to be a part of, look for some green flags. Number one, projects that have labels good first issue or beginner friendly, active maintainers who respond within 48 to 72 hours, a clear contribution guide and README file, and even recent commit activity. So definitely check to see if pull requests are actually being merged. But it's also good to note that you look out for some red flags. Number one, maybe a project with no license file is not the best bet. They're usually not even open source. Or your last commit was months ago. Or there's just hostile or dismissive responses and issues. Pro tip, start with projects that you're already used to or you already understand. If you already know what problem they solve, it makes contributing a lot easier. Before you contribute, you need some essentials. Number one, a GitHub account with a professional username and a complete profile. Number two, an understanding of basic Git commands. Just 5 commands. Clone, branch, add, commit, and push. Number three, definitely bookmark collab.dev. It'll help you track and analyze project health. And number four, a growth mindset. Your first PR might not be perfect. You kind of have to be okay with that. That's totally fine. Well, it's time to find that first issue. So use GitHub's /contribute endpoint. Just add it to any repo URL. Check out platforms like First Timers Only, Up for Grabs, and Good First Issues. Also, you can look for issues labeled documentation. Yeah, fixing typos can count. And finally, when all else fails, you can join the project's community channels, Discord or Slack, for example, to ask for guidance. You never know who you will meet there that needs help. Once you found an issue, you can finally make your contribution. But the first thing you should do is definitely read the contribution guideline. Every project is different and has a different workflow for creating PRs and handling issues. It's really important that you understand that workflow, or you could be rejected. Number two, start small. So your first contribution shouldn't be a complete feature overhaul. You can do something as simple as fixing a typo. Number three, test your changes. Always test your changes locally before submitting. Once you're ready and have that confidence to submit that PR, explain what you changed and why. And also don't be intimidated. Maintainers are here to help you succeed. They were beginners once too. Your first contribution doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to happen. You always just have to take that leap forward. And the hardest part is clicking that first fork button. So that's it for this video. What topic would you like me to cover next? I'm happy to do any. Comment below and don't forget to follow us for the next video.